I just taught to adapt and overcome. A couple of years ago, I was back at Fort Bragg. I was in the middle of a medical course, and I got a phone call from my buddy Rusty saying there's a fire coming up on your house, and I had to watch the fire coming up. It's within a mile of my home through a newscast, and I said I'm not going to let this happen again. So when I got back to California, I assessed the situation. Couldn't afford anything super expensive. But hoses, three sprinklers, oscillating sprinklers, ones that go, they give a very good arc, and I set them up and bought a fire retardant tube, and I don't know if that even worked. It was about 5 years old. My daughter chuckled at me, made fun of me for doing this, but I was ready.
Yeah, you were ready, and it truly did pay off. What is the situation like for you right now, Lieutenant Colonel? Do you have any idea? Because we know the threat is still very much real. We know the winds are real. We know the evacuation orders are in place. Do you have any idea when you'll be able to get back and really assess any sort of damage to your property?
We're on pins and needles. I was just told it's been 7 days. I didn't even realize how many days it's been. We're fighting this. With the American Legion, we're going in practically every day. This hit me like a brick. I got the call. I went up to my wife. I got up to the house. I got my sprinklers up on the roof. And as soon as that happened, I got her out of there to go and try and get my daughter. I got my sprinklers up. And I was thinking about my community in the American Legion. I'd just come up from there. But we got the sprinklers up. I got down to my vehicle, was trying to exfil the area, trying to leave. I got caught in the firestorm on Sunset Boulevard. And as I was trying to get out of town, I rolled into the area where people were abandoning the cars. The flames were coming over Sunset, and the people were abandoning, coming up at me. And I just got on the call that my daughter was my daughter's in one of the vehicles somewhere behind me. So I was able to guide some of the vehicles in my area so we could turn around and move back. And as we were moving back, a path was opened up by a security guard who turned out to be another veteran, Scott Wagonseller from my Legion post. And he was standing there guiding vehicles down. God bless him. We were able to roll down to the bottom of the hill and get to PCH. And then it was a matter of getting my daughter, and then my wife had gone to secure her elderly parents. That was day one. Day two was getting back in. So every day is I'm watching flames. I'm evacuating friends, fellow veterans, legionnaires. We're organizing people to go back in. Day two, we went back up. Jason Mayo went with me, and the water was off. There was not enough water pressure. So the sprinkler system was now dead. You could see where the flames had come down the hillside to my house, and you could see the charred earth where the flames and the puddling of the water had stopped it. And then you turn and you look down and you see 14 houses. Sorry. Because you could see up on the hillside on Lockman Lane, you could see about 60 houses that are gone. And down beneath those 14 houses, right across the road is my friend Joe's house and my friend Doug's house. And we weren't able to save their houses.
Yeah. Yeah, there's so much loss here. Talk about the American Legion, because I know the Post is really factoring into all of this. What role is it playing in the midst of so much destruction?
After Jason and I doused our house with water for about 4 hours, we rolled down to the Legion to check on the building, and the lights popped on. We were in the dark, and you looked around, and it's a war zone. It's empty, burned out buildings, the churches, there's schools, there's 3 schools, my daughter's school, the public library, all burned out. And here's the American Legion left standing. It's because it's built beneath a parking structure. And the lights come on, and it's a realization. We're veterans. We're built for this. This is what we do. We were trained for war. We understood we were going to war. We were able to engage it. But looking around, you can see these buildings, the people that are going to come back to them, they weren't prepared to go to war. They weren't prepared to lose their homes.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.